Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you that don't know, my name is Autumn. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. So today I'm gonna be doing like a DIY. Alright, so I bought these little indoor outdoor lights from Target, and I was gonna put them around like that flower wall thing, but since I have the LED lights, I'm just gonna put it around the mirror. And this is going to be using command hooks. So stay tuned. So there's 12 lights. So I'm going to cut this into, so it's 3 of these. I'll cut it into 4. Wherever my scissors are. Wait. I have to do this. I have to put it in half because it's Velcro. So it'll be able to peel off. So I counted wrong. Put these into 4. And then you just take off on one of these sides and put it at the back of the light, like that. So you do that for the Again, thank you so much for watching. This is the finished product. Made my pop up. But this is the finished product. I'll list everything that I used. I'll list where I got the mirror from, what I'm hanging up the mirror with, where I got the lights from. And yeah, so again, don't forget to like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.